from our village, respected deputy, DSP from West Karbi Anglong district, as well as our DSP from West Lentil district, our Border Army district, from both sides. So our protest today is very peaceful. It's very peaceful. But what we want is to free to construct the route from Lapangap to Khanduli. Because last year we just come to repair, but they come and disturb and harass, not allowed to proceed the work. Especially during the rainy season, our people cannot reach to Khanduli market. They find so difficult for medicine, for students. So when they construct this route, they want to construct freely. But we protest. Because why? For them is allowed, for us is disturbed. But as they need this road, we also need our road. So today, our protest is to stop this road for some time, till we make agreement that not to disturb, to construct a road from Lapangap to Khanduli. That's all. No?
Yes.
That is all.
They have to unhold the work right from today.
Till they make the agreement.
Until and unless we finish to make some agreement, then also final decision is not from both of us here. We will take up the matters. Yes, we understand. You didn't have to take up the matters to higher, and from our side also we will take up. Yeah.
Yes. So today, our people, they make very clear. We have to understand very clear. Okay? Unless and until they allow to construct our road from Lapangap to Khanduli, this one also will put on hold. Not allowed to proceed the work.
Yes.
Because we are Indian, we are same. Brothers and sisters, we need our road, you also need the road. Then, what is the problem to allow us to construct that road? It is a same only. Therefore, today, I request from both sides, from West Karbi Anglong, Hamren and West Janti Hill district, you must take this message to the higher deputy commissioner level to make an agreement. Then you keep copy to us, to the Dora Barsnong. We'll allow to proceed the work, no matter. Because we understand the road is very important for the business or whatever. Okay. It should be very proper and very positive. So from today, we'll start. Okay, sir. Fine. District we have a sanction till Khanduli. But when we construct that time, they disturb, then they arrest the contractors. See, that is the problem. So but at present also we have the sanction to construct that road. But only we need that strong agreement from both sides. That's all. So we'll put on hold for some time from Lapangap to Khanduli.
Yes. What a benefit of the border area? The people living in the border area, the matter should be solved at the
if they don't stop today, so tomorrow or day tomorrow they will come and they will come more confusion, more problem. They will create a problem. So it's better to put on hold for some time. Yes. And then after agreement, then they can.
My only concern is since everything is peaceful over here, so the request of the people to be kindly considered and taken to your higher authorities. We will also take from our higher authorities, and in the peaceful manner that they have allowed to construct this entire road. So for us also, if they want to construct that road, that is the only
Only our voice.
not that
our desire.
they don't want to obstruct the construction of this road, only to allow the other construction. That is the only. So we will take up from our end to the high authority from you to.
Can we write something for stopping on hold some time?
on hold, so we cannot think.
Kani kamday ka bangila bangin chimti mangi na maka jingsna kamya na
It's not our
lembaga
power to write here and
and nakaliang jong ingila tang banra ya kani ka kubor ka balayaray man takasni naka snong jong snong bad ya kibrio barokhat ba ki ong ban pen sange shoya kan ne ka kam tin nakal yang jong I en ra sha ko ki ha to horti ki bala ban pen sange kan ne ka kam namar mangi ngimla ban pen samange ngimde mangi ki horti ban snai kan ne
cái này rồi mà
Harap saya gini.
So I'll definitely convey it.
excuse me first thing you give the order to the contractors
That will be done by the deputy commissioner. I cannot do it.
just give them information yes
Unofficially I can try, but that the formal will be done by this message.
just give the order
Okay then.
tong ni pano karano pa iba monjur
Pai ba surai. Oi, pa ap nagaliang kaji kelam yang di art lagi bor yang ga sarkar nagaliang ga West Karbi Anglong district Hamren waga West Janjahil district kajing bak mat yang di art lagi bor sarkar magistrate from both side bro art lagi only mentu ka sengi to open sange yo surok manjur pi
Manjur dah.
Kakuar hap egi ke agreement wa ukre yo surok nala pangap cha khanduli klaim ke wan galon ke jing bentut daman jur begete kan puyoi ya ka special letter ka agreement naga sarkar asam jantia na waro arliang im ye uchna yo surok debiang hado yo hakti ka dorbar snong lapangap debiang official letter debiang namate to kublai subun sat Laji ukre to kate I dong em gijing
Dia betul tu biar tu je.
I think it's enough, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, take this. Boleh sebelum mana? Yes, yes, for this.
surely